Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look that I have on right now. I wore it a couple of weeks ago for a photo shoot that I did with my sister and my cousins, and I loved it so much that I wanted to do it again and film it this time for you guys. I didn't do my base in this video because I feel like it's the same thing over and over again, like every makeup tutorial that I do. But I did include the lip and the lashes that I used. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I already did one eye off with camera. And for today's look, I'm going to be using this Car Beauty palette. And the number is ES15. And this is how it looks. So it's like a dupe for the... It's like a dupe for the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And this is the look that I'm going to be creating. I had already done it, and I didn't film a tutorial on it, so I'm doing it today. The first shade I'm going to be using is this one right here. Did it once, and I'm going to tap off the excess. This is my first time like having you guys like super zoomed in, so I hope you guys like it. I'm just going to put this in my crease and a little bit on my outer corner too. And I'm going to bring it in on the lip also. Because as you can see, I like to bring in my eyeshadow like towards the inner corner. So I'm going to dip it back into that shade again. And I'm still using very little just because I don't want to put too much product. So I'm still building up this eyeshadow. And then for my next shade, I'm going to be using the shade next to it, which is this one. And I'm taking this on like a round blending brush. And I'm focusing this on my outer corner and like right in the crease. I'm not going to take it any further than this. Just going to keep it here in the crease in the outer corner. I'm like not applying a lot of pressure because I have my hand on like the very tip of the brush. And that helps me get a really good blend, because if you're like, yeah, here, you're gonna be putting too much pressure and you're not gonna get a seamless blend. So I'm doing circular motions very lightly. And I'm also gonna be building up that eyeshadow also. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with my first blending brush and I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to go in with these two shades because those are really pigmented. And this is just, I'm going to place the red on the outer corner, the outer V, and I'm going to put it in the crease, the very lower crease. Just a little bit to deepen up. For now, I'm just placing the eyeshadow, I'm not blending it. Placing it where I want it before I go ahead and blend it. This one? Yeah, this one. I'm gonna go back in with that. The reason I go back in with the previous shade that I used is because it helps me not take the darker shade up too high. For the lid, I'm going to be using these, I'm going to be using this orange and this red. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I'm going to be using this orange and this red on the lid. And first, I'm going to go in with the red one. And I'm taking this like little, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild brush. It's I don't know, it's like a flat little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with that. So I'm gonna be patting it first. So I'm gonna be doing like an ombre, as you can see, it's like red and then orange. I'm gonna take it to the crease a little bit. And I'm gonna be taking the orange shade on my finger. The reason I'm applying with my fingers is because this orange shadow is a little bit different from the red one. So it applies better with your finger. In my inner corner, really focus it enough. Eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend them. I'm gonna blend this line of the orange and the red, so it's not harsh. Right in at my inner corner, I'm gonna be going in with a single eyeshadow by Maybelline, and it's in the shade The Glow Down. And I'm going in with like a super tiny down brush. And I'm just going to be focusing that right here. You can see it already brightens it. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade, the second shade that I used. Here. I'm going to blend it into the crease. So it's all seamless. And then I'm going to go back in with these two shades, outer corner, blending it towards the inner corner very lightly. And then I'm going to apply more of those, more of that eyeshadow in the outer corner to blend it. Okay. And I'm going to focus that right here. I know I need to do my brows, but I'm letting them grow out, so that's why I'm bushy right now. I'm gonna blend that with this big fluffy brush. And for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm not gonna apply too much, just enough for my lashes to be coated before I go in with falsies. It's like so hard to not make that face doing mascara on your bottom lashes. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using. The lashes that I did use for this look, I fucking lost them. And they're my favorite lashes at the moment. So I'm so sad. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. No, it's not here. For lash glue, I'm gonna go in with the Duo brush on adhesive in dark. This glue is so good. Okay guys, for lip, I'm gonna be going in for lip liner with this knobby lip liner in brown. And I'm gonna line my lips. More creamer, please. Oh god, it sucks. It's a little bit shorter, but you don't want it. I'll blend it in a little bit. Good thing it looks better on camera than in person. With the look in person. So I'm gonna go in with this NYC lip gloss. And it's like the perfect color. It goes with any lip combo that I put together. Oh yeah, this saved the lip gloss saved it. Yay! back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Well, eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And sorry, I can't stop looking at it because I feel so pretty right now. I always fuck up my hair when I have this shit. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you guys like that this time I zoomed you guys in for the eyeshadow look. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye!